Event of the night. I'm gonna let these rappers introduce themselves. Rapper to my left.
Oh, Jay White, man, Florida get it. Start for 904, man. King Score nigga, know what I'm saying? New wave, bro. All day, let's go. Sharp Barry, bro, let's go.
Battle to the right.
I'm not even gonna introduce myself, man, because tonight ain't about me. I just want to say rest in peace. Mama Sarah, you know what I'm saying? She passed away from cancer this week, so heart's a little heavy. Brother Hollywood, I love you, my dude. Let's go.
Alright, they already did the coin toss. It's online first.
No, I'm going first. I want to toss. I said me first.
Okay, so it's on Jay White first.
No, me first.
He said he wanted to go first. Alright, it's on Lion first. You got it right. Why you lying? Hold up. When we finna start this battle, please hold it down. Whenever you're ready, shoot me good. Kill it! Hold it down, close the door. Let's go, close the door.
Duval County, what up? I ain't too gangster to admit that I missed y'all, so tonight I brought some punches. But unlike me, they won't miss y'all. See, I don't know who this is, but I don't give a fuck. This panhandling, cause you be reaching, I'ma give you bucks. I bet you grew up in a nice home with both parents. So that tough shit no one buying. And I bet they raised you to be an honest man, right? But what they meant is don't try lying. See, I am the realest. You ain't make nobody realist. I'm blacking out. Kill switch, make you choose. Mama kid, my gun kill switch. I'm precise with that metal. Nigga, that is surgery. Lying give you bars. Nigga, that is perjury. This quality over quantity. Authentic versus made up. No homo, but this that type hard when you drink too much, you do too many drugs. Versus that type hard when you wake up. Why are you here? No one wants you round, bitch. You're about to take one for the team. When you don't get it, take a round, bitch. I'll 3-0 you with ease. You won't get a round, bitch. And your girlfriend, I hate to break you the news, she gets a round, bitch. CIA, every test put in front of me. Yeah, I'm hella mean. Treadstone's light will messing with me on my fucking team. We be knocking niggas out and not remembering because we don't give a fuck. And if your girl was pregnant, I show up to the hospital today, Jason born. And stick a blade through the blanket with that nigga tucked down. CIA, Treadstones, not remembering Jason's born. Y'all get the scheme right. I say all that to say tonight I'm gonna commit a violent crime. Light on light. I didn't even want this battle, because in your footage, you're just all right, but I had rounds in the clip sitting around the waist. Like I'm pimp tight. This was just a warning, and I bet I got your team should kill all y'all. Have your hood wearing RIP shirt with the high school senior pick page of a yearbook. You gon' be me, ha ha. Don't bother trying. Another crowd became pathological. They love lying. Bravo, nigga.
Let's go. Whenever you're ready, bro. Hold it down. Kill it. Hold it down.
Okay, let's go. I'd be lying if you say you had me sparring with trash, but it's like school clothes shopping. Lying, you will fit in the bag. I know your type. Probably was a bitch in your past, but got a gun so big that God be like, no, step back. Well, G, you in some shit. Speaking on that, you lesbian fuck. Another gay bitch with a strap when I'm strapped back. New ever shit. Where your stash at? Caps clicked on your head. Permanent snapback. Pounds for the ones that show love. Hashtagging these punches jog your memory. They flashbacks, no. You ain't get that well. Wait till the footage drop in this ratchet with a ratchet in her pants. Pussy pop. I ain't with that friendship, bitch. Let's be honest, in the end you'll get fucked by a Smith. You Pocahontas now, y'all watch me. Now y'all watch me beat this. Now y'all watch me beat this pussy up. Then think sex without gravity and why he die y'all beat these bars. And sugar packed in these. Another light skinned nigga fuck me. I see the problem, Breeze. It's clear you ain't high your niggas way more than me. Now what the fuck? Now what the fuck you packing, G? Something illegal. Okay, DeMarco Murray. I'm running back with the Eagles. My partner said that you good. I missed that senior world Tim Tebow. Cause I'ma come back with them Eagles. Now UFC. Cause UFC, stupid ass, stepped into the octagon, screaming while the kid kick shit. Fuck you, a sucker mom. Plus, the shit that you say, irking my nerves. Mike Vick, he a jet after playing with birds. But let me guess, bro. You the type to pop up with a tech, all skinny in the face, but looking fat in the chest. Frost had you in the back of the van. Now with me, this high yellow bitch got a tone. Alicia Keys, my nigga, please. If we ain't gay, my nigga, please. If we ain't gay on the scene, then these will put a ring on a bitch and a brown to be my nigga G. Don't commit suicide now, your body bag on the way. It's just 2 rounds out. Now spit that bullshit.
Alright.
Negative.
You actually come off real. I mean, from the look to the talk, you're this guy's act, you rap. But real niggas see through that bull, you snitch. So fuck this guy's act, you rap. It's ironic how much I hate squares, because I've always really loved my block. Disrespect where I'm from, and I pull up and shoot quicker than a nigga trying to beat the shot clock. Me, Wood, and Loyal, 3 Glock. We find out where you be and end your life with 3 9s, which makes sense. Because you fall just short of being a G. I'll kill you in this battle. In the tracks, I'll kill you in the booth. You nice? Secret Life of Walter Mitty. We all waiting to see that proof. Soon as you agreed to battle me, you sealed your fate. After you can't quick in your mouth, shotgun at a tailgate. See, I got my own raw to cook and sell. So I shouldn't have to steal right, but you would think I did, because tonight, I'm cooking Jay White. See, I got my own raw to cook and sell. So I shouldn't have to steal right, but you would think I did, because tonight, I'm cooking Jay White. I hate niggas like this. Y'all know the type, no creativity. You can tell when he writes, he spends no time thinking. See, in Florida, I'm one of the few niggas that's hot left, that's cold, right? Let that sink in. Your dad probably couldn't spit either. You the spawn of a whack nigga. This Mortal Kombat, you come with fake arms. What you jacks, nigga? You say you never back down till I pull up that silver hawk and spill your blood and bone on that concrete. For all that reckless talk, I'm better ball for ball. Aggression, that's undisputed too. And to show you in this battle rap game, I'm Michael J. White. I just killed you with his films, dude. You want to scrap him, maybe snap it out? Fuck that foolery. I want to end this beef quick so I go to Case. Like I'm about to buy some jewelry. I'm from South Florida, so you know that I'm good with heat. My bullets so big, they knock off more than a swap meet. Then I go right, let's just say he ain't deserve my best. So tell Moses West, get me better competition, and I'll write me some better shit. Time, nigga. You know.
Okay, bro. I feel you, dog. Came with your best jokes, but when it came to all them jokes, how much paid for those though? But did you pay for that shit at all? Nigga, you didn't. I heard you choke 5 times. It's on camera. Forget it. Anyway, off top, let's get it started. I don't like your type. You probably talk tough to a man, but when it's time to fight, you run. But if it's a girl, you get extra hype. You a gay bitch bar. Always ready to fade it dyke. My last bout, I came light, but I didn't get the win. I slept on that man. It's my fault. Won't do that shit again, but you get an old school white. What's inside the pen is house party grounds. Kids play, and keep it spin. Blow, got away with the murder, but you stopped it, cause I let that man slide with the body. Johnny Cochran, now I'm back after touching this kid. Mike problem, Nightwing, trying to get to his roots. I'm back robbing, bitch, I like winning. Scope you out there, night vision. Bruce Jenner getting rid of the tool. Bite switches. But, hey, Bruce Jenner getting rid of the tool. Bite switching, this hoe supposed to clap me up? Okay, nigga, this hoe ain't got no fucking tool like gay bitches. And since you not strapped, oh man, I'ma fuck you up. My homies gonna jump in and swing. We playing double dutch. Knuckle up. What's in your check, bitch? Speak your mind, cause I'll make you run that shit without the bubble guts at this point. You should know I'm not playing. Touch me and you gon' buff up, bro. The hand's contagious. Now die.
I knew that shit was coming. You can't say that shit and just spit that.
Now die. Now die. And no chest plate, just headshots. Yeah, boy. I'm big shit dumping like crab pops. Get your legs chopped. Now die. And no chest plate, just headshots. Yeah, boy. I'm big shit dumping like crab pops. Get your legs chopped. On my mama, you dead. I'm sucking chest wound. Covering looking like red fox. Got you all, but got you all tied up in the, head. Dreadlocks in a round to the fat nigga side. Red box, you bitch. Who the fuck told you that white wasn't a threat? Everything connect. Kinda like your chin and your chest. And please don't.
Where you back at?
Back hard. Fuck up. You bitch. Who the fuck told you that white wasn't a threat? Everything connect. Kinda like your chin and your chest. And please don't get scared committing suicide now. Your body bag on the way. It's just 2 rounds out. Please spit that bullshit and get the show with.
It's the run.
Yo, why I never battle no tough street niggas? All I ever get is wimps. Y'all got me standing here like Bubba Gum, thinking of all the ways I could cook this shit.
That was a bar.
Take it off. Y'all got me standing here like Bubba Gum. thinking of all the ways I could cook this shrimp, but then thought, fuck doing it in a battle. I'd rather shoot him for real instead. See, my gun's a true entrepreneur. It's just trying to get ahead. All my niggas be complaining there's not enough hoes at battle rap events. And I agree. That thought's pretty fair. So I came to ring you that tonight with a bang. Now look, there's thoughts everywhere.
Run it back.
I said, all my niggas be complaining there's not enough hoes at battle rap events. And I was pretty fair. So I came to ring you that with a bang. Now there's thoughts everywhere. You ain't know shit about that though. Cause you only shoot on the court like 5'2" trying to hoop. You wasn't built for this sport. Quit trying to act like you street. Be yourself. Eventually you find out there's a price for it.
Hey, let him get off. Let him get off.
Quit trying to be street. Be yourself. Eventually you find out there's a price for all that talking. I don't need a selfie. If you ever went to jail, you'd be a bitch. I know the selfie, so some advice before that happens, shoot yourself. Like a selfie. Fucking lame. I bet you can't even get sex from sluts. All they ever give you is ifs and ands. Never no buts. I mean, I won't say I fuck dimes, but 7, 8, it's usually what fuck with me. You Gal Thorber. You only known for hitting 3s. You only known for hitting 3s. You know what, since it's basketball season, let's see if y'all get this scheme. My whole team trying to wear big chains and watches, so we sell Knicks for $6 or $7 just to net the profit. Big haters disappear like a wizard with the magic. Carry hawks in the heat, beef, it'll be tragic. Shoot at your calf and clap it like a backboard. I'll bobcats and weave them, leading them with the jab more. Pacer get pissed on, is this what you asked for? No bull, I'm trying to sell ticks on these rap toys. I got wolves on the grizzly stop and spur of the moment jump, and I copped and rocked it. I got with my foes covered, but still sending my warriors at your sons with thunder for them gold nuggets.
Hold it down.
I got wolves on the grizzly stop and spur of the moment shop, and I copped and rocked it. I got with my foes covered, but still sending my warriors at your sons with thunder for them gold nuggets. I ain't the king, I'm just gonna play the stunts. Slow water reminding you of a lake or something. So try jazz, hornet and clarinet. I keep a clip or two for any and everything and try to threat.
Make some noise for Lion, y'all.
And I went light. And I went light.
Respect the mic. Last round, y'all.
Spec it.
I ain't battled here since early this year. Really, I'm surprised this shit, and I'm picking your brain. Like the satire tricks, I heard you on a diet. Stop with that lying, bitch. It's clear you're going too far with this lying shit, but try my diet. Hold on, let me explain this out. Sit at the table and push you the trays. You looking amazed. Fat nigga looking for glaze. 80s box cut. Lion caught the hooks in the fade with a mean table. Lion, you did me a huge favor. Now I'm at your door with nice ass round like a new neighbor. PG, 13 in here. Smooth pace and Craig Mack. But that bang in your ear got a new flavor because you ass. And boy, you ass. And Frost is pretty much like Kevin Gates, because the trending thing for you since him is getting a back-to-back rounds. Hey, back-to-back rounds. Turned up, you got 8s. Hey, while you cook, you just look dumb. That face, but you told Daddy that you'll shoot him down like every bitch ass off of prom. That was nice, but that was nice, but I'll shoot you down like every bitch you ever met in your life. What, you about 30? Woo! What you about 30? Hey, what you about 30? You probably still battle with headlights, you Michael Jackson. Cause after that fight, you got light. Cause I expected 3 rounds of how rigged you is. And how you always got a gun floss. Well, if we beef, then black people meet. But it's ready to hit the first brother she run across, you big as fuck on camera. I only got one option, dog, that's treat your shit like workers with overtime. And not your, oh shit, my fault.
Come on, cuz.
Oh shit, hold on. Boy, you big as fuck on camera. I only got one option, dog, that's treat your shit like workers with overtime. And knock it off, cause you one of them old, I fuck my little brother, baby mama ass niggas. When you find out, try to die as a drama ass niggas, fuck your life. You think they give a shit if you die and I got Peter Pitts, cause I don't put the whip on like, and I shouldn't tell you that. I smash your chick. It's sad but true, but the bad thing is, it can really happen to you. I'm a passionate dude. Get her drunk, feed her some food, and Aaron Rodgers. Talk that bitch skin to my dude, you bum ass thin bread. You tight to talk big for nothing. Go to McDonald's, I get your change, and go back for the missing nuggets. But ain't you the animal? Okay. But ain't you the animal? Don't you prey on niggas? You stay hungry? Typical life. Never know when the post is coming, but oh shit. Hey, typical inbreak. Typical lion. Never know when the post is coming, but typical lion. Never know when the post is coming. But I got news flash for you. You Auto War niggas are all trash. Every time y'all battle with this league, y'all got thrashed. 305 Missouri, smoke hound dog. You got bagged in cribs. Got that mama school whipping from bad, but it's not about them. It's about you trying to sleep on me. I'm Spike Lee with 2K. I buy frequently, and just when you thought that them bars ran out, I bought that barcode shit that they want you about. No, tell them that you lied. I ain't had time for you ain't had time to write for me, nigga, but fuck that shit. Hey, I'm done, nigga. I'm done.
So give it up for Lion and Jay White. Good battle, ladies and gentlemen.